Are you tired of guessing which accrual method to pick when setting up vacation time in Gusto? Stop the confusion and learn exactly how to configure your policy in about 3 minutes. First, we'll walk through accessing time off. Then, we'll customize policy details like compensation and accrual type. Finally, we'll activate your policy. First, open up Gusto to get started. Then head over to the Time and Attendance section and click on Time Off. Now, go into Suggested Policies. Click on Time Off there. Then hit Add Policy to create a new one. Give your policy a name in the Policy Name field. Choose the compensation type. For example, paid is the most common. Or, if you prefer, select unpaid. Next, pick the accrual type, like hours worked. Or choose fixed amount. Or go with unlimited. When you're ready, click Next. Then, Next again. And once more to move through the setup. Finally, click Activate to turn on your policy, and that's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.